Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a market analysis with Statista, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Statista website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Log into your account with your credentials. On the home page, use the search bar to enter the market or industry you want to analyze. Press the enter key to view the search results. Review the different categories that appear in the results. Select the category that best fits your analysis. Once you have chosen a category, browse through the available reports and statistics. Click on a relevant report that interests you. Explore the report to gather valuable data points. Take note of key figures and trends highlighted in the report. If applicable, download the report for offline viewing. Next, use the filter options to narrow your search results further. You can filter by date, region, or specific topics. This will help you find the most relevant data for your analysis. Once you find the needed statistics, take screenshots or jot down the data. Analyze the data you have collected to identify market trends. Compile your findings into a structured format. Include graphs or charts for visual representation if your analysis allows it. Finally, summarize your key insights and conclusions. Your market analysis is now ready to be shared with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.